Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious shrimp chowder. First, gather all your fresh ingredients, including 1 pound of shrimp, 2 large potatoes, and 1 cup of corn. Next, dice your vegetables, such as 1 medium onion and 2 stalks of celery, into small, uniform pieces. Cook 4 slices of bacon until perfectly crispy, then remove them from the pot. Now, let's build our flavor base. In the same pot, sauté your diced onions and celery for about 5 minutes until softened. Add 2 cloves of minced garlic and cook for 1 more minute. Sprinkle in 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, stirring constantly for 60 seconds to create a roux. Slowly whisk in 4 cups of chicken broth, followed by 2 cups of whole milk, ensuring a smooth consistency. It's time to add our main ingredients. Carefully add your 2 diced potatoes and 1 cup of corn to the simmering liquid. Let this mixture cook gently for about 15 minutes, or until the potatoes are perfectly tender. Next, stir in your 1 pound of fresh, peeled, and deveined shrimp. Cook for just 2 to 3 minutes until the shrimp turn a beautiful pink color and are opaque throughout. For the finishing touches, season your chowder generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. Stir in about 1/4 cup of heavy cream for an extra layer of richness and velvety texture. Ladle the warm chowder into bowls. Garnish each serving with the crispy bacon you cooked earlier and a sprinkle of fresh, chopped parsley. Enjoy your homemade, comforting shrimp chowder.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.